Now let's have a look at the Umi Smart and how it controls LED devices. Now I have 4 LED bulbs. It's RGB W LED bulb and 1 remote controller. So this remote controller is already paired with these 2 bulbs. And let's see how they work with the Umi Smart system. Okay, now I power on the LED bulbs. It's too bright and cover the paper to make it a little dim down. Okay, now I open the Umi Smart app, and on the app from the Discover Nearby icon, you can find all the devices. Okay, now there's 4 devices listed here, and on every item, you can find some icons on the left corner. So the RGBW icon show with 4 color, and the clock icon show it has the timing play function, and the remote here is to show it's already paired to a remote controller. And when you tap on the icon, it will pop up a menu with many functions. The most frequently used is identify. So tap on identify, you can tell which one is which one for all devices. And now I will add to a project. I marked all the devices and click to add to a device, make it a name, test. And for the password option, we have single password, dual password or free. For dual password, you can make user password and manage password. And single password is single password. Free is free to use. I give it a single password with 1, 2, 3, quite simple, and go. So there's a notice here to show that you need to remember the project name and password. It's better to make a screenshot on that. So when I tap on confirm, so the smartphone is adding all the devices to the project, and after that it will connect to the test. So now it links to the project, and so here is the main menu of the project. You can simply make the on-off control, and also go to every item to set different brightness, different color of each item. And also I can still control by my remote controller. I can turn on and off. Only these 2 are off and on. So on the app, you can see they're synchronized from the app. And on every item, let's see what's the function inside. So brightness control, brightness up and down is quite simple. And color brightness, I can go to like different color. Maybe I switch off the front to 1. Okay, give it to a red color or blue color or any color. And I can also make very detailed setting with RGB level to make different color. And also I can open the library. So here is same library, and it's a preset libraries, red, green, blue, and also dynamic effects. So basic function. If you like some color, you can also save the current color to the library. For example, this green color, I don't want to save to the library. You can select a slot to save the color into the library. Okay, and there's also a more function here. So for this item, let's see what's inside. Okay, more, it has dynamic effects. You can adjust speed, make it slower or faster for the dynamics modes. And also it has the delay off function. So for the delay off, that means the device will turn off after this time. Like for example, I give it a 1 minute to shut down. So after 1 minute, it will turn off automatically. Before that, it still runs all the effects you already set. Okay, so these are basic functions of this Umi Smart app, and I can also make a group. For example, I make a group to mark everything, and give it a group name, like room room 1. Okay, and so I added that to a group, room 1. Okay, you can control the room 1, and also open the room 1 menu, the same setting for these 2 devices. Okay, they're synchronized. Okay, and for the general setting for the project, you can go to the setting menu. You can show the password of the project, and you can set up some global features like power on status or last status or default. Default means from the scene library. And you can also set up the fading speed to what else or whatever. It's from very fast to anything like that. So this is from the, if you said confirm all the devices will flash, that means the command is accepted. So this is the basic operation. It's quite simple. After this setting, you can maybe turn off the app, and the next time you open the app will connect to the project automatically. So you don't need. So after you set up the project, you don't need to do anything. You just go in the setting, and everything is there to use. So this is quite simple.